How to use the Sound Amplifier feature found on your OnePlus phone with Android 15. In some cases, your OnePlus phone may not come with the Sound Amplifier pre-installed, so go into the Play Store and install it. Now, you don't have to do this, but if you want to try it out, you'll need to install it if you don't have it. Now, once you have it fully installed on your OnePlus phone, just go ahead and open it up, and you may be prompted to give it permission and a few other items as well. Now, in order to actually make use of the Sound Amplifier, and I find it to be very cool, is you'll need to make sure you have a connected device. And whether it's a wired earphones to your OnePlus phone or a Bluetooth earphones or speakers. Now, once you have it all set up and ready to go, you will notice that you'll now have access to the phone media. And I assume you want to use Sound Amplifier for the phone media. However, if you want to use it for the mic itself, you have the option for the noise reduction. This is a very useful feature and or app that you can use on your OnePlus phone. So it's going to be great for calls to help noise reduction with use of wired or Bluetooth connected devices. And you also have boost quiet sounds and frequencies as well. This is under the phone mic itself. So it's going to work as a mic, but you'll only be able to access it if you have something connected to it. So without something connected to it, you may not be able to access any of these. Now, if you decide to go with the phone media, which is the sound of what you're listening to, notice how it's quiet now, because with the mic, you can see this thing happening here. That's because I'm talking. But the phone media is gonna be totally different. Phone media is gonna go based on the sound from whatever you're listening to. So as a demonstration purpose here, I'm gonna go ahead and play this song, Don't Mind My Music. And once you have it playing, of course, I'm not gonna let you hear it because it may be subjected to copyright. So right now the song's playing, and basically when this thing is on, you will notice a difference in the audio. And you can boost the quiet sounds. So instruments or any sort of audio in the background will get slightly louder, and you can also adjust the ears separately, and this is actually going to give you a bit of clarity. Also, make sure this is turned on, because if it's turned off, you'll notice a huge difference. You'll notice how the music just drops, the sound sounds dull, but when you enable it, you're going to notice that an enhancement of clarity of the music. So this is really great. So try it out. If you don't like it, just uninstall it and you're good to go. Like and sub.